Good morning. I just got the Revive Summer Box, so I wanted to show you guys what's in it in case you want to get it. So this is the quarterly box or seasonal box that they do, and this is what it looks like when you open it. Last month, I will try to put down below or somewhere, but they had a spring one, and then this is the summer. So here are the stickers. Those are really cute. I like this one. Put that on my water bottle. And then there's stuff in here. So this is a diffuser, which that's cool. Best used with Revive essential oil. Starfish shape rests on a bamboo base. That's cute. You need scissors. Revive is one of the brands that we use pretty regularly. They're like a dupe basically for Young Living. So we use them a lot because they have a lot of the same exact oils. But this, oh, that's cool. So there's the base, I'm assuming. Oh, it's so cute. So you put your oils on that and it rests on the base. That's really stinking cute. Okay, put that here. Then there's oils. It's 5 oils. Some good summer blends, I'm assuming. Okay, Eucalyptus radiata. It's a really good oil for cleaning, for respiratory support. Getaway, that's a blend. This is a one that I do not know. Gurjan balsam, lemon, sage, hyssop, hoe oil, clementine, and wintergreen, and one that I can't pronounce and I've never heard of. So this is cool. Just a different, orange essence. There's a lot of different, sorry if it's backwards, there's a lot of different orange and citrus, like how they can be distilled or what it's like pressed or distilled from. This is Citrus sinensis, and I think this is going to be like more of a sweet. Ooh, it smells just like the fruit rather than the peel. It smells really good. Then Cabana and Sweet Summer. Cabana has a bunch of oils too. Cedarwood, hoewood, lemon, bergamot, patchouli, I love patchouli, eucalyptus, juniper berry, rosemary, ylang ylang, geranium, star anise. Oh, there's so many. I'm not even gonna read. There's tons. This is Cabana. This smells like the beach. But it's, ooh, I'm getting different notes. It's really good. It's like relaxing and like beachy. Sweet Summer is this one. Ooh, that is so good. Bergamot, balsam, citrus, or grapefruit, clary sage, ylang ylang, lemongrass. This is very sweet and floral. That smells so good. That's not like any other blend that I've smelled. And then Getaway was the other blend. This one is, oh, I already read this one, I think, because I couldn't pronounce that first one. Ooh, I don't know if I like this one. Ooh, that's a weird first note, and it's the Gurjun balsam resin oil. I don't know about this one. I'm gonna diffuse it and maybe, but it kind of smells like, I don't know. It's like it smells like a food, like some sort of food or fruit or something. But anyways, I just wanted to share this. I'll do like a reel too. And then, so these labels, these circle ones go on the top of the bottles so you can see them if they're like in a drawer or something. And then a bunch of different stickers. Peace, love, essential oil, sweet summer, I love eucalyptus. So that's funny. But I love these little seasonal boxes. It's a good way to like just get your oils for the season too. Just kind of makes it, like takes the brain work out of it. But let me know if you have any questions, and the link to shop Revive is always like in my Amazon link, or I'll try to put it below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.